Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V60E and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So let's begin with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, settings, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen like here. And now all we have to do is to enter the settings. So let's tap. Then let's go to languages at the top. And here we've got the list of all languages which are currently applied to the keyboard. And as you can see, we've got Polish and I believe Russian So let's add new one. Tap on Add Keyboard. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can which we can choose. So simply scroll and find it, or you can search a language by entering the name of it. So after finding the language, tap on it, and here we've got the keyboard layouts. So you can choose a specific layout. It's completely up to you. Just make sure that is marked and go and tap on Done. It has been immediately added to the list. And before I'll show you how to remove the language, let me show you quickly how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. Basically, here we've got something called the language key or the globe icon, thanks to which we can change the layout. So right now we've got, I believe, Polish, or not. We had Polish, here we've got the order one, and here we've got the other language. So basically this is how it works. Moreover, on the keyboard you've got the name of the language you're currently using, so that's quite nice. Alright, so in order to remove the language, we have to open the settings again, go to languages, and here tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now mark the language which you'd like to delete. Maybe not like that. And then tap on this trash bin icon. And as you can see, we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.